Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to add email link and phone number clickable in WordPress. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And it inspired me make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, very fast, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. So navigate to the another tab and this is the contact us page, and you can see in left side information where is mail us and call us. If I click over here mail us, then I will be redirect to the email page. Then again if I click over here call us, then I will be click on call page. Okay, let's check it. Just click over here mail us. You can see it takes me to the email page. Then again go to the contact us page and click over here call us. You can see it takes me to the call page. So in this tutorial we are going to add this type of functionality in our WordPress website. Okay, now we can close it and let's get started. So go to the another website. This is the website and I want to add this functionality in contact us page. So click over here. I have made this page with Elementor. So now I have to add the functionality or this email and phone number with Elementor. So click over here and edit with Elementor. Okay, just scroll down. Then now I can remove it. Okay, contact information. Now I have to add here the email icon and phone icon. Okay, so click this plus icon and from the left side top just search here icon box. You can see this is the icon box. Just drag and drop here. Okay, then click and change the icon. Just search here envelope. You can see this is the envelope. Just click and insert it. Then the title, phone number, then the text title I want to give here mail us. Okay, this is the text, and the description I can give here my mail address. This is my mail address. Now okay, let's check it. Just publish it and refresh the contact us page. Okay, scroll down and if you hover on it, you can see it there does not happen anything. Now I want to make it clickable. Okay, when I will click here, then I will be redirect to the email page. Okay, so let's do it. Again go to the editor and this is the title mail us and the description. This is my mail address. Just copy it. And this is the link. I have to write here mail to, then give a colon and paste the mail address. Okay, then publish it. Again refresh the page. Okay, now click here over here mail us. Okay, you can see it takes me to the email page. Okay, now we can open it in a new tab. So again go to the editor and click this pencil icon and this is the link. Just click on this link option, this gear icon, and open a new window, then publish it. Then again refresh the page and click over here. Okay, you can see it works perfectly, actually that we desired. Okay, then again I want to make phone number clickable. So again go to the editor and now we can copy or duplicate it. Okay, then change the icon. Just type here phone. This is the phone and insert it. Okay, then right here phone number and we can here call me or call us. Okay, then the phone number. Okay, then I have to give the link here. And copy this phone number and paste here. Okay, then I want to open new tab, so again check this box, open new tab and publish it. Refresh the page. Okay, click over here. Yes, you can see it takes me to the call page. So in this tutorial we have learned how to add email link and phone number clickable for WordPress website. Thanks for watching the video.